my. Oh my god! Oh! Go! I want to get out. Wait, how do you? What is that? One more. Spider forest. Spider forest.
Why the hell did that just go on the air?
Yo, we're in the tutorial. This is ew. These are actual spiders. Why is there actual spiders?
Yo, what if I get one of the spiders?
Dude, they should have different types of spiders instead of having the same spider model. Just freaking hate that being in every G-Tag horror game, where every time you die, it kicks you out from the game. Dude, I prefer ones that kick you from the code. It's quicker as well because you don't have to load back into the game. Oh my god, the spiders can climb up stuff. I see one of them climbing. Oh my god, he's a slow as hell spider.
Get to the high ground.
Who is that? That's so cool. I can hear y'all behind me. But I hear y'all in a different direction.
Well, then I might as well.
Oh no, it's Lucy. How did my color code change?
Oh, that's
Bro, who the hell is that? Bro, did the other guy die?
Yeah, he's shaking it off. He's shaking it. Oh, stop shaking it off for me. Or no more going outside. Oh, he's shaking it. Whoa! No, it is what it is. Dude, I saw you in the Discord. You were in like the Discord and like, yeah. Wait, let's check out mountains before we do this. Get in. What the fuck? The backrooms.
Back shots.
Yeah. I'm not usually terrified of Gorilla Tag horror games, but this one's different. Go back. Okay, if it comes, run for your life, okay? Run, that's not. Wait, there's a new guy in here. The new guy.
Yeah, I'm new to this game.
Yeah, I only started yesterday. Do not go over here. First time I went into that place with the army of monsters, it was so scary, bro. They're so friendly. Just know they're way too friendly. Oh!
Can I tell you what's the best thing to help your VR keep going?
What?
Battery saver.
You wanna know what you would have to keep your VR still going? Oh! You know what you're gonna have to keep your VR going? Battery savers. Battery savers. I can bomb so good. I'm good at walls. What the hell? Let's this here, guys.
7 minutes, you guys. We had.
I survived. Holy crap.
There's no way out. There's no way out.
Yes, there is. Yes, there is.
I'm going into canyons.
Yeah, I've never been into canyons. I want to. No! I thought like the master. Oh! Go! Y'all got the goon. What the? Oh crap! Holy crap! I actually hate this game. Oh! Come get me! Oh goddamn, they're already coming up. I gotta get in. I'm gonna get my beautiful top hat. What's gonna begin soon? What do you mean the final game's gonna begin soon? What the hell is mountains on? Y'all get the goon. Oh, he fell. Oh, he fell.
Nice balls and yeah.
Oh crap. Oh, why is it always me, bro? What does Lucy like about me? Can y'all hear me? He can bounce on shit. Who is this? Who is this? What's behind the mirror?
Wait, why are you
Oh crap! There's a blue guy. It's blue. I want to say hi to blue. I got slammed out. I'm so scared of caves, guys. Let's go in caves. Careful. Which tree house? Oh no, there's only one. There's a secret in treehouse. Please don't be a monster. It's a monster, I think. What the hell's that? Jump scares? Buns. Easily
Jump
climb the
what?
double walls. They can easily do it, and I'm terrified. Yo!
So where's the army?
It's go. I don't know. I don't know exactly. Go over here, blue.
What
Only.
is it? Oh my god!
That's how you get to the army of monsters.
No.
I was trying to tell blue to go over
I
there.
wasn't paying attention. No.
You did it. Bro, look how much there are on you. They're ganging up. And you got every single one. How'd you get every single monster? Fuck no, bro.
No! No!
Keep going.
No! He's climbing!
He's climbing now.
No! Hold up.
That's Lucy. That's Lucy. That's
No,
Juicy. Oh!
No!
Oh no! What?
No!
Oh my god.
No!
I love when What the hell? I'm scared now. I freaking hate this game. It's terrifying.
No! The monsters are mine! I have the whole neighborhood on me!
What the
The
hell?
whole house man! The whole house man! No!
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is
The
way
whole
too funny.
house is mine.
Poor Ethan. Bro is.
No! Help me!
Oh, no, S for Ethan in the chat. Oh my god.
No, W-E-T.
They found a new. They found a new victim. Fly up. Ethan. But why do they love you so much? Oh. Oh, Ethan. Oh, fuck. Keep going. Oh my god. Hey.
Oh! Why would you get me killed?
Because it's logical.
Oh, Canyon.
Let's get Gooner.
Who is that?
Let's get Mr. Goon down there. Oh!
Run!
It's Mr. Goon!
Whoa! It's coming!
Bro, why is Ethan getting tortured?
Ah! Bro, you died?
Yeah, I died to Ethan. It's Ethan's fault. Blame it on Ethan.
There's a secret in treehouse.
Yeah, I think we heard you the first time. It could kill you, it could put you in a hole. Oh my god, Ethan's gone. No.
You could come back. You could come back now.
And then we get 5 people in the lobby. Did you see him? Yay! Which map, guys? Which map?
Spider Forest!
Ooh!
Spider-Man.
This is the Spider Forest.
Yeah, this is where the spiders are.
It just came out of nowhere.
What the hell?
Oh! Let's go to the GM Victory.
Yo, Ethan! I won't get y'all killed anytime soon. We're gonna survive. We're gonna be survivers. Why are you running? I was running from air. He's scared of air. Lucy, oh! I hate you, Lucy. They're all in there. I wanna go in.
It's a chimney for Santa Claus.
Yeah! You no! He's so jolly. He's more jolly than Jolly Rancher.
Wait, guys, if you give Jolly Rancher a Jolly Rancher and then he eats the Jolly Rancher, is that cannibal?
Yeah. What the hell is that?
I survived. I went top. I survived.
I'm on top of the slide. Dude, the last time I got a monster on the slide, I fell off of the slide and I died. I feel like I got every monster in the map.
I'm coming.
How'd I die?
Go to the slide.
I'm getting the monster away. The one that I died to. Wait, the ship is safe. We can camp on top of the pirate ship now. What is wrong with this game? I'm scared. I don't think I'm safe on the pirate ship. Which is a monster guarding. Oh my god, I hear footsteps! Weird Bonnie or something.
We're going to the bouncing sound, but go to the bouncing.
Holy shit!
Oh, come on! Wait, that's
Got you. Oh, what the? Never mind, that is not safe. It looked safe to me, but then he glitched in. I don't know what happened. Oh yeah. Wait, guys. Guys, wait for my friend and I'll get him all the keys. I'll get him all the keys. You want me to go to spawn? I gotta look for my friend.
We're in the back room. Oh, key!
What?
Key!
They got in again. Everyone is like away from spawn, including
Oh
me.
shit, I see another key. I see a guy one over there. I saw one over there.
You can take him.
Look at this one. Oh shit! Oh my god, no!
Oh! Go, 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 go!
Oh my
I'm being chased right now. Guys, get to exit, get to exit. Me, I know where the exit is. I know where the exit is. Follow me. I know where the exit is. I know where the exit is. Okay, there. We found the exit. We found the exit. The exit's over here. There's the other guy. I led him to the exit.
We gotta go. I'm missing like over two.
Wait, I'm looking for him. He has like the sun hat
That
on
one
him.
and that one.
He has a sun hat.
I need that one. And if there's one over there,
Come here!
Quick, quick, guys.
Come to me!
Run. Did you get it? He got it. Did you get it? Please tell me you got it.
We can't
He got
leave them
it.
behind, bro. We always need people. We don't.
This is the 6-7 level. Oh.
No, it's called level 4.
here's the exit.
Oh, no, this is kind of an easy one because the keys over
Where?
here. Just like
Where we
keys,
at?
the keys are easier to
Someone
find.
here, just-
Since this is a maze kind of level, the keys are easier to find. Be careful of the party goers.
Wait,
And do not go. Do not go to safe.
zone.
Do not go to safe zone when you get the party goers. Because if you go to safe zone when you get the party goers, they're gonna glitch in and kill us.
Oh my god.
The party goers. No, they're tiny. They're tiny.
What are they? I'm scared.
Yo, we're gonna make
That's
it
the
now.
exit. That's the exit.
Guys,
The
it's
exit
not
at
gonna move.
Hey guys, where y'all going? Why y'all over here?
Yeah, we're
There's
Oh
no- there's no way.
yeah.
We just have to run to the hole.
I hear party going.
Like,
No, don't go over
you
there.
have
I
to
think
go
that's
right
where the party goers are.
and right.
And go to the right. Yeah, this is safe. Yeah, this is a more. This is genuinely terrifying, though. I'm scared there's
I
monsters
found
in
the key. I
here.
found the key. I found the key. I found the key.
Yes, please.
What? You found the key.
Yeah, me too.
Come here. Come here. Go the other way. Go the other way.
It could be up here.
It's right here. It's right here.
Where?
Right
Guys,
here.
the other keys are it's over there.
Zeus, please don't bring us to any monsters. This is
Oh,
terrifying.
Oh,
Like,
key, bro. Yo, where y'all at?
this is like a Gorilla Tag horror remaster.
Me and
or
the students
something.
together.
Yo,
wait,
do I hear the
key,
party?
wait,
Key,
What is that? Run. Wait, the monster is carrying the keys, so we have to distract them. Oh my god. Go. Oh my god.
You gotta get him out.
I think we need to sacrifice them, to be honest.
Go up.
Go.
Wait, don't go, because we're gonna get stuck. We have to go back. Oh my
Yeah, we have to get him out of the vent, and then we're gonna juke him out.
We have to get him out, because we can't get the key then. Okay, we gotta go fast. And we have to climb up. We have to be like this.
I
Where's
didn't get the
monster?
What are you guys doing?
Oh, there he is. We gotta run in.
Go.
Go. Wait, how are we supposed to get out? Wait, how are we supposed to get out? Wait, that's the question. Wrong way. Oh, no, right, I think. Where do we go?
Behind love them, bro.
I'm terrified.
He's not coming, guys. He's
Go,
not coming.
go,
We're
man. What do you mean don't go first, bro? We gotta go.
We gotta be quick. As soon as we get the last. How does I?
Whoever made that plan, you're smart. Whoever made that plan, you're not.
Yeah, bro. I said that, bro.
Wait, I gotta tie in my controllers. Wait.
Finally, he's not
We got
camping,
it.
bro.
Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
No, he's not.
I'm
You're
joking.
lying.
I think
Where
there's
we go?
monsters.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, we came from here. Look like the door's closed.
Yeah, the
now. Oh, we
exit
came-
at
over there.
spawn. Just know the exit at spawn. If you hear the
Run,
box
bro,
doors, that's a
run.
good thing. Also, as soon as you get out, be
Everybody run,
careful.
bro.
Remember to wall
no,
bounce
stop,
out of
stop,
there.
stop.
If you don't wall bounce,
Stop
you're gonna
burping.
die. Cause I think the
Bro, is that any
monsters.
of our exits?
I think he's still trying to get in. Okay,
Yeah,
so be
bro,
careful
we're going
because
back to-
I have a terrible feeling he's
He's
gonna
down.
get in.
He's down. He's right down here, bro. Yeah, he's still there. Yo! Why did he not like got them?
Where do we run?
Risk it! Risk it for the
I got the party door. Guys, wait. Guys, I'm scared.
Slide. Wait. Okay, let's go.
Oh, he's coming. I'm at the exit. I'm sorry.
Okay, well. Everyone rejoin.
We
I
beat
don't know when to
it.
end this. I don't
We
know when
beat
to
it.
end to play the game, but like we have to restart. Bye, guys.
Yo, this is sick though. It's actually kind of cool.
I don't know
I'm
when
gonna
to
end the
end
video.
it.